Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 5 mountain bike cassettes. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Item number 5 in our list is SRACE Alpha EX. Specifications. Brand name, SRACE. Model number, Alpha EX. Type, MTB Bike Freewheel. Is customized, no. Material, steel. Gear teeth, 50 to 52. Freewheel speed, 12. Components, freewheel. Item number 4 is 10-51T Ultimate Freewheel. Specifications. Brand name, VG Sports. Model number, Z5321. Is customized, yes. Sensitivity, 72 sounds. Material, steel. Gear teeth, 51T. Freewheel speed, 12. Components, freewheel. Speed, 12 speed. As the item number 3 we've selected, XD Cassette. Specifications. Brand name, Sunk. Sensitivity, 108 sounds. Material, steel. Gear teeth, 10-51T. Freewheel speed, 11. Components, freewheel. System, XD system. Item number 2 is ZTTO ULT Cassette. Specifications. Brand name, ZTTO. Model number, 1210-52T. Is customized, yes. Sensitivity, 108 sounds. Material, steel. Gear teeth, 10-50T. Freewheel speed, 12. Components, freewheel. On the top of our list at number 1 we have, Speedeo Bicycle Cassette. Specifications. Brand name, Lexan. Type, MTB Bike Freewheel. Is customized, yes. Sensitivity, 108 sounds. Material, steel. Gear teeth, 11 to 50. Freewheel speed, 12. Components, freewheel.
Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day and we'll see you back here soon.